Parlong, ngi pidyang semua bahaya pi syaka spoken tutorial halor ka discrete time system. Hakani ka jinghikai ngin sanang ban convert hapdeng state space but transfer function descriptions. Define ya ka discrete time system but plot ya ka step response jongka. Discretize ya ka continuous time system. Ngapundan kam da ka Ubuntu 12.04 operating system bat ka Scilab 5.3.3 na ka benta ka jingbatay. Ban persyang ya kani ka jinghikai pili ban don ya ki jingtip badan kam jong ka Scilab. Lada pimdon skubha page ya ki Scilab tutorials badan ha ka spoken-tutorial.org. State space model. X dot is equal to ax plus bu. Y is equal to cx plus du. Labatay da ka sys3 is equal to syslin into bracket into quote c, comma a, comma b, comma c, comma d, close bracket. Nakabenta ki matrices A, B, C, but D, bala specify hashwa, jong ki size bayade. Play ya ka Scilab ha ka computer jong pi. Type sys3 is equal to syslin into bracket into quotes c, comma 4, comma 3, comma 6, comma 9, close bracket, but nyon enter. Nyon enter ban beteng ya ka jingpen i. Kani ka nuksana ka benta single state, single input, single output. Ka output kan don ya ki A, B, C, but D, but initial state x0. Type CLC ban clear ya ka console. Define kum ka nuksa matrices A, B, C, D ha Scilab console kumba piyo i. A is equal to open square bracket 2 space 3 semicolon 4 space 5 close square bracket. Nyon enter. B is equal to open square bracket 1 semicolon 2 close square bracket. Nyon enter. C is equal to open square bracket minus 3 space minus 6 close the square bracket. But nyon enter. D is equal to 2. Nyon enter. Tungin bujli yakini ki matrices ha ka command bahashwa. Sys4 is equal to syslin into brackets into quotes C, comma A, comma B, comma C, comma D, close bracket, but nyon enter. Pinyo yakini ka output harum. Nyon enter ban beteng ya ka jingpeni. Ka output kandon yaki matrices A, B, C, D, but initial state x0 kumba piyo i. Check lada ki poles jong ka sys4 kidi ki ju kum ka eigenvalues jong ue. Naka benta ka ni pila ban pendan kam PLZR function but ka spec function. Ka SS2TF command la ban pendan kam ban yo ya ka transfer function jong ka state space system sys SS. Type ha ka Scilab console jong PCLC ban clear yaka. But nang ta type sys capital T capital F is equal to SS 2TF into bracket sys4 close bracket but nyon enter. POE yaka output. Kadai ha ka rukam sys TF equal to SS 2TF into bracket sys or SS. Pindan kam SS2TF function nakabenta ka sys3 bala define hashwa. Sys-TF uday variable batamay haka baka denom command kalong applicable. Kamlong applicable yaka sys4 kumba kalong haka state space form. Solve yaka niya ka exercise harum. Wat yaka state space realization jong ka second order transfer function bala define harum. Pindan kam yaka TF2SS command. Nakabenta ka system batamay haka state space form shuang state space form. Check lada ka eigenvalues jong ka matrix A but ki poles jong ka transfer function G of S kide ki jo. Pindan kam yaki matrices A, B, C, D jong ka system sys SS ban yo ya ka transfer function. Check lada ka jubab ka day ni AM ka balong original. Ni define menta ya ka discrete time system. Kalong ka babiang ban pendankam z na kabenta o variable ha o numerator but denominator polynomials. Kan mau ba o variable z udan ya u shortcut. Haka jaka jong z is equal to poly into bracket 0 comma inside quotes z pendankam z is equal to percentage z. Let's check a Scilab console. Type CLC ban clear. Type z is equal to percentage z. But nyon enter. Ni define mentaya ka first order discrete time system. Haka Scilab console type dt system is equal to syslin into bracket into quotes small d comma z divided by inside bracket z minus 0.5 close the bracket close outer bracket. Nyon enter. Ni pendankam yaka syslin function na kabenta kadi. Haka ni kakinti ni specify yaka domain ban long discrete time haka jaka continuous time. Na kabenta ban check yaka step response ni hak ban define yaka input explicitly kum once. Kum kanuksa na kabenta 50 points type haka Scilab console u is equal to once into bracket 1 comma 50 close the bracket put a semicolon. But nyon enter. Haka jaka jong system ni hak ban pendankam yaka FLTS function ban simulate yaka nega system. Type haka Scilab console CLC ban clear yaka console. Y is equal to FLTS into bracket u comma dt system close bracket put a semicolon. But nyon enter. Minta type plot of y but nyon enter. Ka output kan sa sharp plot. Kang no yaka graphic window. Kalong ka bayarap ban discretize yaka continuous time system balaay. Kaniya la ban liya ka pendankam yaka DSCR function. Tungin define yaka continuous system S is equal to %S but sys G is equal to syslin into bracket into quotes C comma 2 divided by into bracket S square plus 2 multiplied by S plus 9 close bracket close outer bracket. But nyon enter. Tungin discretize yaka system sys G daka sampling period jong 0.1. Haka console type CLC ban clear but nangta type sys5 is equal to DSCR into bracket sysg comma 0.1 close the bracket but nangta nyon enter. Nyon enter ban beteng ya ka jingpen i. Kumbab hiyo i ka system la discretize kum A, B, C, D matrices but initial state x0. POE bang iyo ya ka discretize system ha ka state space representation. Nilaban penkala ya ka ni siya ka transfer function representation ha ka discrete time da ka bapendan kam SS2TF function. Nakabenta ka ni, let's check a Scilab console window. Type CLC ban clear yaka. Minta type sys6 is equal to SS2TF into bracket sys5 comma 0.1 close the brackets but nyon enter. Ka output ka a yaka transfer function. Hakini ka jinghikai nila puli ban penkala hapareng ki state space but transfer function descriptions. Define yaka discrete time system but plot yaka step response jongka. Discretize yaka continuous time system. Pwede ka video badan haka link harum. Kakalum lang yaka spoken tutorial project. Lada pimdan yaka bandwidth babiyang pilaban siya download but pet yaka. Kakanhuan jong ka spoken tutorial project. Kapenong yaki workshops da ka bapendan kam yaki spoken tutorials. Ka ay certificates siya kito ki pass haka online tests. Nakabenta kambon ki jingtip sngobhatho shaka contact@spoken-tutorial.org. Spoken Tutorial Project kadi shibenta jong ka Talk to a Teacher Project. La kershania ka da National Mission on Education lingba ka ICT MHRD Sarkar India. Kambon ki jingtip halor kani ka mission ki don ha ka spoken-tutorial.org/nmeict-intro. Nga imiburin na Shillong nga penkot yakani. Kublay shibon.